Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you are quite welcome. It's a family, it's a team work. Let's do it together. KGL, please like and subscribe. Today I'll be doing replacing a hall bearing in this 2009 Chevy Impala. This is what we're gonna be replacing. I'm gonna show you how to do this job. When you have the right tools, it's quite easy to do it. Please leave a comment down below. Any questions? You know what to do. KGR, you know my slogan. Let's go. You finish the sentence. We'll be right back. All right, so KG, the camera is rolling now. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna lose this guy right here. Make sure when you jack your car, make sure you have it on the jack stand. I can't stretch that enough. You don't want to jack the car, just leave it on the jack. You want to hear a story? I can tell a series of stories. I heard the story of a guy walking on that the car. There was no jack stand, brother. He didn't have no jack stand. So the next thing, you know what happened next? The jack slipped, the jack slipped off, and something fell on his leg. You know, so always make sure, brother, you have a jack stand there. Safety is number one. So we're taking out the 15 right now. Okay. I want to lose the whole cali pad out, make the job easy. I want to show you the easy way. Alright. This one is still long anyway, so KG, grab that. Let me get some place. That's both there's a little stubborn, so I have to go get my break the bar. I don't want to use the stress there. The gun. I'm gonna break it with my hand. See? Bada boom, bada boom. It's right there. So now we can go back to the gun. Take this out completely. Chico baby. That's it. So set this guy aside here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get it. Yeah, I might have to get something to do. So we wanna be on the safe side. So we get something to hook up there. Bro, you want to turn the wheel for me? Yeah, turn it. Turn the wheel. So we can be able to get to that boat easily. That's good enough. Leave it like that. Yeah, that. Also, come down here, put his back. So you don't have to worry about this boat. It's a boat that has a teeth, that has a lock, so you don't spin. Except if the teeth run out. So now we're going to get a hammer, just tap it. That's the rifle. That one is out. See that one? So now we're going to get a one. There she goes. Now we're going to shake up this guy right here. They keep shaking. Guy's out. So now we can pull this aside. Our goal is to push this axle out so we can get to that TT right there. I'm doing the both sides, but I'm just showing you one side. If I teach you how to do this side, oh, definitely. Piece of cake for you there. Don't you see see the guy there? I got it, baby. Yes, boy, yeah. He's a slam dunk, baby. There's my NBA player. There's my Kobe Bryant. Slam dunk, boy. Okay, those are 13. Got this along. Arches. Make your job easy. I run it now. Make it a little quicker. Let's go ahead and run it. I need to check my lips. This is all messed up. You gotta be mindful when you want to take up the last one, so that boy don't drop on your foot. Hey, KG, you didn't. I'm telling you that number one. The one drop on your feet. Right? You can just hold it like this. Well, it came out just like that. So don't forget this span. It goes like this. Like that. Yeah, like that. Right. So we're gonna get the new one there. And put that one in. Just like that. Whoa! Everything flying away, KG. KG, what are you doing, baby? Alright, so that's it. Cleaned up this a little bit, but it wasn't that hard coming out, so you shouldn't have a problem of the something going in. You didn't fight it, so I guess So what we're gonna do, we check it out, make sure they're both the same. Try the clips there, the hole, everything looks the same. Bingo, just like that. So now come here, go like that. Right. I have another glove, but I don't just feel like getting up. Getting out of that gloves. So I'll wash my hand by the time I'm done. So where is the other boat now? Where did it drop now? Make me look for you. Just like we did, and we topped it up. Just like that. Get our long rubber, it's tight. And up this long one, you don't have to worry about nothing. Tuck it right there. That's it, baby. Come right here now. Do the same. I didn't go all the way down. Got to use my tongue. Yeah. That's it. I'll come to the middle one. I'll come this side a little bit. Sorry if I'm blocking the video with my big head. Sometimes it's good to laugh at yourself. I do that all the time. You know, there's too much pressure going on in the water. Slow down, take it easy. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna slop that guy back in there. Pray for me. I need muscle, Lord. Give me the strength. Like I said, I like to laugh at myself. Okay, see? God gave me a strength like, can you just see that? I didn't even push. Wow! I'm David now. I remember it laugh. Remember the story of David and Goliath? Goliath was a giant, but David was just a little small boy. Well, you know how the story goes. I don't have to tell you. You remember what happened in the story? David defeated the giants. That's what just happened there. KG always win. I am a winner. There she goes. Now bring it back down. Let's see. Okay, see my muscles, man. Man, I got muscles today. Okay, so this right there. Let's see if I can do the bottom one first. I have to push that in to get the bottom one. I don't think it's gonna get it. Let's see. Like I was saying, the boat has a teeth, so there's a lock. When you go in there, make it a lock. And spin. You just gotta get it in right there. So now we're gonna knock it down a little bit. Yeah, you traveled?
Right.
You traveled to Africa? Oh, I didn't see my friend, man. How you doing?
Busted? You busted?
No.
Just for you?
Yeah, it's gonna, you can talk. It's a video on YouTube. Everything is good. We
Time I get for you, you don't see me.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
Yeah, in Dublin, there.
I was like, he's going to Mecca or something.
No, I go my country.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Sometimes you need it. Rest your body, you know. Good. All right, so now we're gonna we're gonna clip this. Don't forget to put back the connector right there. Put the connector back in there, and then this job is almost done. All right, sir. That's my friend.
Right.
All right. Now put this in. So this is what I was doing back there. I was reconnecting this back for the ABS. You saw it when I took it out. So now we're just going to put this back right here. And then guys going to turn the wheel. So you want to turn the wheel for me? Turn the wheel the other side? Yeah. Then we're going to put the caliper. And that pretty much won't hook this job. No, the other side. The other side, the other side. No, come
To you.
Come to me, yeah.
You see the other side.
Come to me. Come to me.
Come on, this up.
Keep coming. Yeah, right there. So now I just want to point out this. Sometimes when you take off the whole caliper like that, the brake pad seems to snap out a little bit. You just use your hand and tuck it back in, just like that. So once you do that, you'll be able to go back in, just like the way it came. If you don't do that, the same kg. You forgot to tell me. Sometimes it can fight with it a little bit. It can go. Should be able to go in there now. Alright, here she goes. We're in right there now. So now, clap for me, man. Somebody got to clap for KJ. I'm gonna clap for myself. Why you gonna clap for me? That's it. You know, in life, whatever you do, you have to be your own number one biggest fans. You have to be your own number one biggest fan. You have to love what you're doing. It might not be a mechanic work, whatever you do. You just have to love it. When you love what you do, it don't seem like you working anymore, because you can't just cease to wake up in the morning.
Where this come from, though?
And go and do.
This was on another side.
No, that's not yours. That's from a previous vehicle that I worked on. Don't worry, we got you everything going back in the same way you can. So, like I was saying, you have to be your number one biggest fans. You have to appreciate you. You have to love you. Just, whatever you do, love it. When you wake up in the morning, you just love going back to work. But if you don't love your job, sooner or later, you see yourself quitting the job. It's not all about money. You gotta love what you do, baby. Ask KG. That's just a word of thought for somebody out there. For my fans. For all my fans out there. That is just a word for you. A word for you. Let me get the long one now. Okay. Use the long one. See? So just like that. You tell me. You saw what happened? Just like that. What do we say? We're done. We'll put him back there. Let's use this to check this out. Sometimes when the gun, the battery is weak, you might think the thing is tight, whereas it's not. So now what we're gonna do, I still have one more thing to do. I gotta tie the nuts. Alright, we're good now. So we're gonna tie this nut down right here. So we're gonna tie that guy right there. Just like that. Maybe I should have put some oil there. The nut was kind of tight now. See, that's it. Basically, the job is done. The new one is being replaced. So KGR, I am about to show my face. So KGR, the job is done. Just like I said, I love to share my knowledge. Like I always say, life is all about sharing. You cannot take it with you. So it's best you just empty it out here. When you share it with somebody else, now two people have it. That is my message. That is what I'm preaching. And that's the way I'm going to be living my life. I share it with you. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below. This is KG Auto Repair. Like and subscribe. Help a brother out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace. God bless you really good. I'm out.